And guys, this is our mini pie. You know, in case if you need mini pie, this is our mini pie here. I have 3 cuts of mini pie. So this is normal meat pie. Crunchy or nothing. I had a good business. What's up? There. To pick him. So I'm sleeping now. I miss her. So guys, I want to buy this shoe. This one is for baby Alex. This one here for color and you complete the alphabet. So I'll be taking this shoe. Okay. So guys, I'm packing my box for vacation
From Pantalone.
So this is my own things.
This is my toes.
Okay. Surely have my trousers. My shorts, jeans. So I'm not going to carry big box, you know, because our luggage is small box, 10 kg, and the designer, you know. So I have my pajamas, oops, singlets, costume. We're going to Amari too. Okay. So my scarf, you know I love scarf, and my undies. So here I have my pants. I'm going with these 2 pants. And this. So that is it. I will use another bag for my crown. You know, I still have space here for my crown. Now I'll be going with 1 shoe also. Okay. So that is it. Now I'm not going to be close here. So I'm done with my own. Done with my own things. So here now, let me start to this one. So guys, this is baby Alex things. Baby Alex have small box. So here is his makeup. I'll still buy 2 shorts for him. So there is his pajama, 2 pajama, and his pants and his stockings. Okay, yes. Here is a any video. What's that for? Amar costume, sorry. Costume. And here is his book for computer. So he'll be going with 2 shoes, one Adidas and one this sneakers. But I think you'll be going with this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is it. And his brush. No, but this one go.
Mommy.
You'll be going with your design, no?
Mommy. I need a coconut.
So this one will be going here, and I'll add some things here. So that is it for the Alex. No, that one go with the design.
Mommy, you're a coconut. Wait.
So that is it for baby Alex. Yes. It's very small. But you're going with this shoe, so
Allora, mommy. Metto qua.
okay, alright.
Mommy.
So mommy and baby Alice is ready. So that's what. Continue washing. So guys, I'm here to pick baby Alex. You know, day before yesterday, baby Alex started train trace, you know. Yes, I think there are 3 or 4 that is not sleeping. You know, you start 9 and close. This is where they are eating because weather is hot. And close 1 o'clock. So I'm about to pick him. So I'm sleeping now. Permiso. Hello, andiamo. Ora andiamo. So I'm sleeping. Let's go. Riesci a io man. Siete andati a piscina?
Ma penso che una pera quando sei arrivato.
Guys, I just bought this t-shirt now. No, it's polo. I just bought it now. Anytime they are going out, like tomorrow they will be going out tomorrow. Today they went to piscina. I did not bring his costume. So tomorrow we'll put everything in the bag. And this polo he'll be wearing it tomorrow. Tomorrow they are going out tomorrow. So that is it. Good morning guys, happy Sunday to you guys. So guys, over there I made turkey stew and the white rice, and here I have my filling for my meat pie. On Monday I'll be baking 20 pieces of meat pie for my new client, my new customer. So let me show you my stew. It's almost ready. It's ready. Ula. So yeah. So here I have my white rice. My turkey stew. So guys, can you see? It's ready. It's not that too liquid, you know, but it's peppering. It's peppering. I love it like this. So my white rice. So today we'll be going to church in Modena. you know, because one of our sister is celebrating her 50th birthday. So I will try to vlog, you know. Yeah, so continue watching. Bye.
Mommy.
Huh? Happy birthday! Many more years. Many more years. Clock it for me. Clock it for me. Okay.
Thank you.
Many more years.
Thank you.
There. But you won't can do. You won't can. You won't can. It's cloudy.